Power up your Elementor website builder experience with exclusive add-ons starting at $49 back in the store for just a few days over at appsumo.com. Now, the only difference in this deal between the different codes is the number of sites that you can enable exclusive add-ons on. I would invite you to head over to this deal page to check out all of the different effects. In fact, there's links down here that you can demo the widgets, view the roadmap where an event calendar widget's coming in the future. I'm not going to go over all 100 plus Elementor widgets here today because that's a ton of widgets. Instead, we're going to actually jump into the site, and I built this page here, and I'm going to go to the page, and what you'll see is an alert at the top, end soon, and notice the image hover. This is following my cursor around. This isn't an effect with the video editor. We also get a H tag here that is exclusive add-ons, build, and then the animated text, better websites, faster websites, all of that. We get the rating system here. We have a scrolling effect. The buttons following us around. There's a lot going on. This is just a demo page for a lot of fun. I think it looks pretty cool myself. This image here is one image that they've broken out with some of their image hide effects. And then up here at the top, we have a hamburger menu where we can link out to different menus within the page. So this is just my affiliate link. You're going to see that my affiliate link is everywhere on this page because I'm demoing different elements, and that's the main thing that I'm trying to get you to click. Here is a countdown for scarcity. This deal expires in 3 days, 14 hours and 54 minutes from this video. Exclusive add-ons review. This is just a CTA, call to action box, more affiliate links. Here we have an image. This is a screenshot of their website, and then it has their image effect on it. I don't have to do anything. I just upload the image and it does that. We also have some effects here, floating shapes. Then I have some text because you need some text on a page, even though this is boring. This is just basic Elementor text. I do have this call out comparison chart between Elementor Pro, Elements Kit Pro, exclusive add-ons. Ultimately, I'm too cheap to pay for Elementor Pro. I used to have the $200 a year license. It was good, it worked, but once I upgraded to Elements Kit Pro, I skipped Elementor Pro, and now I'm trying out just on the single code the exclusive add-ons, but what really caught my eye is the WebGL and the fact that they actually have more Pro widgets and more blocks, and I've been quite impressed with exclusive add-ons. I missed this deal the first time around. Here you'll see the animation effect. Again, another just basic unlock Elementor with exclusive add-ons, get lifetime deal. Now I missed the icon here. I just noticed that. But here we can have different icons with our features. Final verdict, you can hover over this and then you can see some text. We have the 5 taco deal right here. This is actually a counter, so it'll count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taco deal. And then we have an image here, and I actually have embedded things over this image. So this is like an interactive image. What I bought, one code. This is the only difference, get the lifetime deal. This is my conclusion right there. I won't read it to you. Down here we have a news function where you can scroll through. Now I only put a few just to test. So this is a Lottie animation, pretty cool effect. All in all, this is a fantastic deal. So before we get out of here, I'm going to jump into the back end of Elementor, and I'm going to show you a couple of different things, and then we'll come down to exclusive add-ons. So they have a ton of different element features. Like I said, I'm not going to go over all of these in this video. Instead, what I'm going to show you is the exclusive WebGL. This is the thing like the cursor follow, the content scroller. Now, if you drag in something like the content scroller here, you can actually come in and you can change it. Like, let's say we wanted to do an image. Let's go ahead and put what I bought as our image. I could have this image scrolling in, and then when you hover, it stops. So we can control all different elements within it, but you can do simple text, you can do image, you can do icons, you can do a button. In fact, maybe I should put that down here where I'm doing this slider. That's that effect there. That's a part of the WebGL. I think that's incredibly cool. In a 2022 web building environment, these WebGLs are definitely more interactive. They're going to turn heads. It's going to be different than most other stuff on the internet. Stuff like this magneto effect is pretty cool. Let's go with something like the news ticker. And if I bring this up here at the top, what you'll see is it's scrolling through all of my previous posts. So we got posts, pages, landing pages, all of these different things you can scroll through at the top. Now at the bottom, I'll show you the icon, this exclusive add-ons icon. If you click that, it opens up their dashboard where you can filter by all of the different blocks available, and they have a ton of blocks available. So like, let's say you wanted to do the accordion, that's like a FAQ. Maybe you want to do your business hours. Maybe you want to scroll down and do like image masks or a progress bar. You can even do things like source code where you can share code. Now they also have pages, and the pages are quite limited. There is a decent variety in the niches from yoga to travel, solopreneurs, podcasts, moving companies, doctors, lawyers, marketing agencies, all of those different things. But for the most part, it's pretty limited. Now for the blocks, it's the opposite. There are a ton of blocks available, and really it's just too much to actually make a video on. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz. Hopefully this video brought you some value. If it did, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.